A-Square Studio is a joint project between Carnegie Mellon University's Entertainment Technology Center and the ALICE project. ALICE is an open-source educational programming environment that enables students to learn introductory programming concepts through storytelling.
It is proven to be an innovative and fun way to learn coding, but one limitation is that ALICE is currently a single-user tool, and there isn't an easy way to have students collaborating in class to learn. Our team addresses this gap by creating a two-player web-based experience that enables students to work in pairs and build animated scenes together.
To achieve that, they need to go through a series of collaborative activities, starting from choosing a prompt, who's in the scene, where are they, what event is happening. And instead of fighting on whose idea gets chosen, they will learn to say yes and to each other, because they each get to complete a half of the prompt while being fully aware of their partner's selection. And every combination will end up being a fascinating world. After having some inspiration to get started with, they will each select a certain number of 3D models from the assets gallery and use them in the next step to build a 3D scene.
Collaborative scene building isn't a very new experience, but we experimented with some new mechanics on top of it. While two players are building in this real-time synchronized environment, they only get to place, move, and edit the objects of their own, unless they learn to share and agree to pass their ownership back and forth. So instead of disturbing each other, it's all about give and take, and we try to remove all the potential friction to ensure that the collaboration is always positive.
After finishing their scene, it's time to program. We took inspiration from Alice and other block programming environments and came up with a system that allows two players to code at the same time. Each of them has their own threads that they can get to insert comments in, and upon execution, those threads are compiled simultaneously. We have created 7 different code blocks to support the creation of complex and expressive animations, starting from simply moving, rotating, and resizing objects, to applying dialogues and animation loops to characters, and even building a communication channel between two threads with the signal block, which stops one thread from executing further until it receives the specific signal from the other thread.
This programming system allows two kids to learn through collaboration, while each taking an equal amount of responsibility. And after completing the whole scene, they can easily record the whole sequence and export it into a playable video file that they can download and share with others.
Over the entire semester, we've conducted several rounds of playtests and worked with middle school teachers to host 2 sessions with our game in classroom. Witnessing the collaboration between students gave us a lot of confidence that real-time collaborative programming is a viable path to explore for the future of computer science education. And we hope that our project can serve as a great entry-level in-class activity for students with minimal programming knowledge to learn the fundamentals, have fun collaborating, and be prepared and motivated to dive deeper into the world of programming in the future.